a very special place. Everything is magical here. This charming place is home to King Santa and Milk Clouds, who work around to bring beautiful toys to all children in their magical toy factory. How beautiful! How it's true now.
You have to finish painting on the letters.
To the kids' dessert food.
Yes, we need be careful. I'm going to make dinner.
Yes, I know.
How much into beautiful toy factory? Santa Claus a very special helper. They are his elf friends who work at full speed.
So many beautiful toys.
Let's pack the gifts.
Which choose one toy?
Into Toy Factory, beautiful toys are being made. And as everything about Christmas is magical, these toys create life at the night. We are a very children's joy at Christmas.
Who wants to be a clown?
Everything is very for Christmas.
We love Christmas.
Let's distribute the gift.